How to check if an array is in another array in Python. I thought that would be good for this, but it returns true in places where it shouldn't. For example, will print true. I cannot understand why it does this. Is it because 0 is in the list? I'd like to have something that only prints true if the entire array is in the list. I want to have my list, and only return true if exactly 0, x, same shape same order, is in it.
You can do it this way. The first step is to compute a 2D Boolean array of where the matches are. Then you find the rows where all elements are true. Then you check if any rows are fully matching.
This code can help you. You can use np.ishin a_array, b_array, it returned a Boolean array. For example, output false false true true.